Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to add the photo tag contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now we have to find the contact which we would like to edit and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. And now tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Now choose add picture or simply tap on the circle. And here we've got different categories from which we can choose the photo from. So we can either enter our own gallery and choose our photo and set it as the contact photo, or we can immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos we've got our backed up photos, so I will omit that. Monogram, so we can tap on the circle, we can use 1 or 2 letters, it's up to you. No. Let me go back here. So we can also change the background color, we can change the font, it's up to you. Moreover, we can use emoji. So just tap on this option here, and as you can see, now we've got emoji. Let me tap on it. We can we can choose whatever we would like to from available emojis. Moreover, of course, we can change the background color, but also we can make it monochrome. So right now we've got the emoji style option, and after tapping on this one, your device will make it more icon-like. And here we've got also illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So I highly recommend to check them, especially in the situation when you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, because here we've got a lot of beautiful options, a lot of categories, so I'm pretty sure that you will find something interesting and something which resembles you of this specific person. I'll pick this seal. And after tapping on the specific illustration, you can choose the presets, because as you can see, we've got different colors here. And you can also crop the picture. It is associated not only with those illustrations, but also with your own photo. So you will be able to zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. And then tap on save in the right upper corner here. And as you can see here, we've got our photo. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.